Today na waiting.
Today na wash night.
Tomorrow na waiting.
Tomorrow na Christmas.
Today na waiting.
Today na wash night.
Tomorrow na waiting.
Tomorrow na Christmas.
Today na waiting. Today na wash night. Tomorrow na waiting. Tomorrow na Christmas. Today na waiting. Today na wash night. Tomorrow na waiting. Tomorrow na Christmas. 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 Hey baby, keep quiet, okay? Today na wash night. So for Nigeria, we they call 24th of December wash night. From the word watch night, okay?
Today na waiting.
Today na wash night.
Tomorrow na waiting.
Tomorrow na Christmas.
Today na waiting.
Today na wash night.
Ah, you get memory.
As I explained to now, they call 24th night wash night, okay? It's just simply because in some churches they do just like crossover night, just like crossover 31st night, we also call it wash night, okay? So we they go wash night, tomorrow na Christmas, today na wash night. So it's literally, oh, you they go wash night today, they go wash night. That's those that will go to church on the 24th night. I don't know if it's still in. I know that Catholic churches still do like vigil masses. I don't know about other churches, but before now in Nigeria, it was a thing where people will go to church 24th night and the whole crackers and celebrations, knockouts, everywhere goes scatter. So wash night now, 24th night. And Christmas is very different in Nigeria. Different regions. For example, Lagos, Nigeria. Aye, dirty. The dirty December is dirty. It is dirty. Party upon party upon party. Whilst Eastern Nigeria, guy, another trips entirely. Like people go back home, people get married, lots of weddings and burials, events upon events, activities upon activities. Food is different abroad. They exchange gifts and that's it. But in Nigeria, hey, you want to be in Nigeria Christmas period because there's a lot to eat, drink, dancing, your cousins' reunions and stuff like that. But I just want to wish all of you now, they subscribe to this channel, a very Merry Christmas. And of course, a prosperous 2024. I want to thank you now. All of now way teacher one I don't teach so far. All of now we don't speak the language. All of now we dedicated to this channel. All of now we they enjoy my videos. I want to say thank you. As the year they end, I pray say everything will work well for you and your family. It go better. 2024 go better past 2023. In Jesus' name. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna see you guys next year, hopefully. But thank you for sticking around with me. I appreciate you guys. Bye. Today that was nice.